Atmajyot is a small step by Yashaswati Foundation for creating a cremation chamber that is both cost-effective and environment-friendly. India's current population is about 130 crore. An average of 2 crore deaths are documented in a year, out of which 1.2 crore cremation are as per Hindu ritual. Around 1 crore cremation are still performed using wood. Cremation using electricity and gas is majorly done in metros. Atmajyot will help save at least 100 kilograms of wood per cremation. Yashaswati Foundation wants to implement Atmajyot across the country. Every year this will help save 10 lakh ton wood, which costs up to 500 crore. This will also reduce 16 lakh ton of greenhouse gases like CO2 from being released into atmosphere. This overall will help save 40,000 acre of precious forest resource from being cut. Before traditional crematory beds were invented, cremation was performed on river banks. Cremating one body would require up to 320 kilograms of wood. Traditional crematory beds use only 140 kilograms of wood, which is 56% less than river bank cremations. However, Atmajyot takes it one step further. It only uses 45 kilograms of wood, which is 85% less than river bank rituals and 67% less than crematory beds currently provided by government. The unique heat recovery system brings down the cremation time by 60%. In Atmajyot, it only takes 1 hour to cremate a body in comparison with 2.5 to 3 hours in conventional beds. Atmajyot can also be modified to use natural gas instead of wood. Regular conventional gas crematory chambers use approximately 32 cubic meter of gas, while Atmajyot uses only 12 cubic meter of natural gas for cremating one body. The main components of Atmajyot can be classified into 3 parts: base chamber, top cover, and heat recovery system. The core of the base chamber is constructed using fire bricks with a padded lining of mineral wool. This chamber is enclosed with stainless steel sheet. Fire bricks can withstand up to 1500 degrees Celsius. Mineral wool has a very low thermal conductivity, which helps in energy conservation. This results in minimal heat loss. The top cover is constructed using same stainless steel sheet. The inside of the cover is padded with high temperature mineral wool. The low heat conductivity of mineral wool helps to keep the heat loss at minimum. The top cover is suspended using pulley and counterweight. It covers the base chamber completely after cremation starts. Heat recovery system helps to conserve the heat and helps in better combustion. This system is responsible for delivering heated air to the cremation chamber. Air is delivered from a centrifugal pump through a pipe to the chamber. This pipe is connected to a sheet metal jacket that surrounds the entire length of chimney pipe. The smoke being expelled from the chamber is at very high temperature. The air from the pump absorbs the heat before entering the chamber. This unique method speeds up the combustion by at least 50% than regular cremation chambers. A control panel helps manage the speed of the pump. There are 2 heat sensors, one in the inlet pipe and another in the top cover to monitor the temperature of the air. This helps to regulate the airflow. Yashaswati Foundation's motto behind creating Atmajyot is to help conserve our natural resources. With help of government subsidy, we can implement Atmajyot across India, starting with metro cities and densely populated areas.